guys, welcome back to my channel. You never thought you would see me again, but guess what? Here I am. Ew, that's so gross. But anyways, today I will be cleaning my room at 2 a.m. if you read the title, but yeah, so let's just start. You know what? I'm not gonna lie to you. It's not 2 a.m. I probably finish editing. Oh, not editing, cleaning my room. It will be 2 a.m. So don't attack me, okay? Thanks. So I'm just gonna give you a little overview of my room before. It's not too messy, but I want it clean this summer so I can have friends over. Just kidding, I don't have any of those, but yeah. I have stuff I'm getting rid of. I don't know why that Kleenex is there. I have clothes to hang up, school stuff, pillows, clothes, shopping bags, bathing suits, tennis bag, dirty clothes everywhere. This, my messy bed, this fell. The only thing semi-clean is my closet.
Your loving is easy, and everything's perfect. Please don't change a single little thing for me. Listen, girl, when you can't even
Like 1:30ish, and I'm not done cleaning my room, but you know, I'm like close enough to where I'm gonna stop, or maybe I won't stop. I don't know yet, but I'll show you the current situation. Basically, I'm gonna clean in depth, and then I'll probably do a room tour if anyone watches this video, because I'm not gonna post it on my social media. I don't feel the need to. Yes, it gets me views. Yes, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go clean more.